Glam fam, so today we're going to be doing a makeup tutorial featuring Areo Blend. If you don't know what Areo Blend is, it is a airbrush company. So if y'all have been wondering how to do airbrush makeup, you're going to learn today. So Areo Blend system is super easy to set up. It is super beginner friendly, which I love, but also amazing for professionals. They are completely vegan and cruelty free, and it's very amazing. They don't have silicones in their products, they don't have parabens in their products, they don't have synthetic dyes or pigments in their products, and they are fragrance free. This new and improved airbrush system comes with an option for a battery, which is so nice. Sometimes you don't have a nearby plug. It's very nice, but it also runs off of a regular plug as well. Really quick, hello, I am Josie. I am so excited that you guys are here, and if you are new, please consider hitting that subscribe button down there. It's the red button and it's free, and if you click that and then you click the bell notification next to it, you will never miss another one of my videos, or so YouTube says. You know, a lot of people have been saying that they haven't been getting my notifications. So if you check back to my channel every once in a while, every week I upload a video. This is the first video of 2019, and I'm super excited to be partnering with Areo Blend for some awesome airbrush makeup tutorials. Alright guys, so what I like to do first is I like to take my makeup, make sure you shake them, give them a really good shake. Then I'm going to take the two colors that are closest to my skin tone, which is in between N30 and N25, these little babies right here. And what we're going to do is we are going to dispense 6 drops into the little bucket. So 3 of this and 3 of this. We are going to do a super light layer, and then we will go back in and focus on areas that need a little bit more coverage. Working in circular motions, we are going to dispense this airbrushed makeup onto our face from 4 to 5 inches away. I like to start on the lowest setting. So we are just going to press down and pull back just a little. By the way guys, I have no primer on or anything. This is just my bare skin. Now that we have one full layer on our face, we are just going to go back in and cover these spots that need a little bit more help. We are going to let this dry. We are going to move on to bronzer. What we're going to do is we are going to focus this on the outer portion of our face, and then maybe go in a little bit underneath our cheekbones. And then very gently, we're going to kind of push it in just a little bit on both sides. I'm going to rinse this out, and so I'm going to just put a little bit of water in here, dump it out, put a little bit of water into it again, and then spray everything out. Alright, now we are going to go in with our blush. Then I'm going to clean it out, and we're going to go in with our highlight. For this, I'm going to go a little tiny bit closer to the high points of my cheekbones. And then some on my nose. Airbrushed face is done, and I'm super happy with it. I think it looks really, really natural and pretty. If you guys would like to check out Areo Blend, I will have their link down below in the description. I highly recommend them. They are so amazing. If you get one of their kits, you will not be disappointed. To start the rest of my makeup off, I'm going to prime my eyelids. Set that with some setting powder. This is the Mineral Setting Powder by Ulta. For our eyes, we are going to be going in with Dream Street, the Kathleen Lights Color Pop collab. And we are first going to go in with Shooting Star, this color right here. And we are going to blend that out into our crease. I wanna see the light. We're going to go in with Magical, this color right here. And we are going to blend that last color up just a bit. And then we're going to go in with both of these colors, both of the first colors, and go underneath our eye. Then we're gonna go in with Elfish, this dark color right here. I wanna see the light. Then we're gonna go in with Sweet Dreams, the super pretty color right here. And we are going to use our fingers and pop that onto our mobile lid. Move on to the eyebrows. I'm going to be taking this dark brown out of a collab palette. This is the Best of the Day Pro palette. Be using my trusty NYX eyeliner. This is the Epic Ink Liner. You guys already know this is like my go-to liner. We are going to just do a wing. Then I'm just going to tightline my eyes with some regular coat liner. Then I'm just going to curl my lashes and put some falsies on. I will be right back. All right, lashes on. And so now what we're gonna do is lips. I'm gonna be going in with Liquid Catsuit Matte Lipstick by Wet n Wild. And this is in the color Nudie Patootie. We're gonna go over it with the NYX Cosmetic Metals Lip Cream in Celestial. That concludes this makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe down below. It is that red button down there. Don't forget Areo Blend's new and improved airbrush system. They will be linked below if you would like to go check them out. And I will see you guys in the next tutorial. I love y'all. Bye!